Sauce, go ahead. Go ahead. Whew. Wow. You get that nice heat. And you can tell that this is not made on a charcoal grill. The only thing you're missing the char. This is our sweet potato fritters. You hear that crust and just look at. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you can see in the photo right now, we have two sweet potatoes. We already peeled them off camera. And then we're gonna dice them up nicely. We have two beautiful pieces of thin pork chops, boneless. And then right here, we have a spice blend for pork chops. So we have some ground jerk seasoning, some Cajun seasoning. This is from Kroger's. And then we have some Maggi seasoning. We have the all-purpose and the chicken. And we have some black pepper and some cayenne pepper. We just put that all in. You can just put equal parts of everything and just kind of make a nice spice blend. So we're going to go ahead and dice up our sweet potatoes. And we're going to season our pork. And then we're going to get this all started. On the stove already, I have my salted water boiling. So we're going to get this started. Hey guys, we're going to get started on our sweet potato. We just want to get in there and get down with the down. You know, we're going to cut it diagonal. And just kind of give it a good dice. So maybe like 4 dice that way. They're already washed, so they're gonna be ready for the pot. Be careful with your knife. My knife is not that sharp, so I can act careless, but be careful with your knife. All right, now that's done. We have our beautiful pork right here. We have our spice blend, and we're gonna season liberally on each side and kind of make sure that you massage the seasoning into the meat. So you want to season liberally on each side. And once we've done that, then we have our Walker's Hood jerk seasoning. We're gonna kind of get in there and just coat each side with some. The more you put on there, the spicier it's gonna be. So if you don't want it too spicy, then don't put a lot in there, okay? And we're gonna let this sit for about 15 minutes because this marinade is very quick. So let this sit for about 15 minutes. Meanwhile, your potatoes are boiling. And when your potatoes are nice and tender, then you're gonna take them out and we're gonna get the fritters started, okay? We have our pot boiling vigorously. We're gonna add our sweet potatoes. We're gonna cook them until they're nice and tender. Make sure you stir until you get all the salt circulated in there. And let this. You guys can see we're heating 1 tablespoon of canola oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. And then we have our 2 pork chops right here. So once the butter is nicely melted and we get a nice steam on the pan, and we're gonna drop these in and we're gonna sear them on high to lock in that spice and flavor. And then we're gonna reduce the heat and we're gonna add a little bit of herbs and all those stuff. We're gonna just let it slow cook because these are really thin slices, so you don't have to use the oven for these. Typically, if they're thicker, you want to stick them in the oven for a few minutes. But these are really thin, so no oven needed. All right, nicely heated. We're gonna add our 2 pork chops. Just look at that. Wow. This won't take very long for them to sear up. So once they're nicely seared, just look at that. Just look at that. So we're gonna do that for about 2 minutes on each side, and they're looking beautiful. All right, so I'll just turn one over and let you see that. Wow. You'll turn over the other one, but you want to let them sit and lock in the flavor. So we're gonna do it for about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes on each side, and then we're gonna add our fresh herbs to that. and just kind of add a little bit of our homemade jerk seasoning and kind of baste it. Okay, guys, as you can see, it's about 3 minutes now since we have our pork in, and we're gonna add our fresh herbs. So we have some thyme and rosemary. And we're just gonna kind of get that all situated in our oil. So our marinade, you have a little bit left from that. You're just gonna shake that in, and then we have our homemade jerk sauce that we kind of bake. Put some in there, and once it's reduced in it, it's gonna be nice and sticky, and the flavor is just gonna be amazing. So guys, do that for about another 2 minutes, because this pork shouldn't take more than 5 to 6 minutes to cook, because they're not that thick. Okay. So once this is done, we're gonna let them rest, and we're gonna slice them up nicely. So I'll see you guys in just a few. They're done. We're gonna smash our potatoes. Once it's all smashed, then we're gonna add a little bit of flour, a little bit of baking powder, and a little bit of water, and some salt and pepper, and then we're just gonna get this ready. Okay? We take our potatoes off the stove, we smash them, and then we add a 1/3 stick of butter to that. We're just gonna combine until our butter is nicely melted. Once that's done, then we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. We're just gonna combine that all together. Then we're gonna add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. And we're gonna add some salt. So we're gonna add about 1 teaspoon of salt. And then we're starting off with 1 cup of water. We're just gonna add half of that first and see how the mixture starts to come up together. All right, the mixture is looking good. We're gonna add a little bit more. Make sure everything is all combined. You can see we didn't add too much flour because we want to make sure that our potatoes are the star. And I think we probably will be using the whole cup of water. So we add the last bit of the water. If it's too thin, then we might add a little bit more flour. I think this is gonna be perfect. All right. So we're just gonna combine this all together, and then we're gonna heat some canola oil in a pan, and we're gonna fry these up. So I'll see you guys in just a few. You can see our batter is nicely mixed, and we didn't add any more water, just the 1 cup of water, the 1 cup of flour, and then the potatoes already have natural sugars in there, so we don't want to add any sugar to this. I think we probably should add a little bit of cinnamon to make it really good for Thanksgiving. What you think? I think it would be good with a little bit of cinnamon. We're gonna put a pinch of cinnamon in there. Woo! This is gonna be delicious. You see, we add our pinch of cinnamon, and then we're gonna add about 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So we're just getting this all together. It's like a sweet potato pudding, but in a pancake fritters form. We're just gonna combine that all together. Our oil is heating right now, and I think it's almost ready for this. So we're gonna fry these on medium heat so we don't burn them, okay? The oil is nicely heated, and we're gonna start adding our cakes right there. Wow. Make sure you space them. So they don't all stick together. And we're just gonna fry these until they're nice and golden brown. Guys, I'm excited for this. Wow. So we have 6 cakes in there. And I would say that just wait until the bottom is nicely set up. Then we're gonna flip them over, and this is gonna be so delicious. This is something new, and there's our batter. And then let's move over to our pork. Just look how delicious those pork look. Wow. Just look at our cakes. Woo. Guys, I'm excited about this recipe. This is my first time trying it. That's the cool thing about checking out my channel, is that most of these recipes I've never tried them before. I just sit down like, what can I do? And I just try them, and you'll see if they fail or not. Because guess what? I'm not going to delete the video, so I'm not posting this one. So you're going to see if this is a winner or this is a fail. But they're looking good so far. So we're going to, when we're ready to flip, we'll be right back. They smell so delicious. So you want to get your spatula and you want to kind of tease them from underneath so that they kind of not separate, and then you flip them over. Just look at the nice color that we've created. So once they start easing themselves out of the pan, you know they're ready to flip. This one is a struggle to flip. I'm glad you guys are experiencing all my technical difficulties that I'm having right here. Oh wow, it's a part of cooking though. It's a part of cooking. Once these are done, you're gonna put them on paper towel to drain so that you get rid of that excess oil. But we make similar things like this in Jamaica, but just not with sweet potatoes. I've never seen anyone in Jamaica make these with sweet potatoes. We've made them with all different types of things, but just not sweet potatoes. So everything is nice to flip. And these are like, some people call them sweet potato pancakes. I call them sweet potato fritters. Because we have like banana fritters in Jamaica and all these other different things. And these are sweet potato versions. So we're frying them up nicely, and then we're going to drain them on some paper towel, and then we are going to be ready for the mukbang. Let's give our pancakes one more flip. I think that's the kind of color we're looking for on our pancakes. A nice crispy bottom. So give it one last flip. And then once we give it this one last flip, then we're going to be ready to take them out. I would say maybe between the next 30 seconds to a minute, these sweet potato fritters will be ready to come out and drain on paper towel. Okay guys, I'll see you in just a few. Can somebody say mukbang starts now? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today, as you can see, we made a stovetop jerk pork chops, boneless, with some sweet potato fritters, and we have some homemade jerk barbecue sauce on the side right there. The sun is really bright outside, so that's all natural light coming in. But I'll let you guys go ahead and take a taste. We're gonna dip that into our sauce. Go ahead. Whew. Wow, you get that nice heat, and you can tell that this is not made on a charcoal grill. The only thing you're missing the char. This is our sweet potato fritters. You hear that crust, and just look at how fluffy it is on the inside. Just wow. Our pork, delicious. Wow. How you guys' day been? Because mine has been great. This pork right here is just delicious. Look at that. That little interruption right there was saying low battery. Just wow. Guys, you just gotta keep working with me and tell me what type of videos you like to see. We can definitely make those. I like to experiment with food. So the only thing I want to do is raw fish. And as you can see, this pork is easy to cook. Nice and tender. You don't have to wait hours. I'm tearing this up. Water break. B-Love would say to use water break for free shipping and the coldest bottle. Dip that into our jerk sauce. Wow. Mm. This is a winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. All right, so guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And below, tell me what your favorite moments from this video was and your suggestions for my next videos. All right, so I'll see you guys later. Love, peace.